my god, oh my god. Everyone is buying this coin right now. There is so much volatility, which means that it is perfect for this coin. I'm pretty sure we'll be able to hit 70k, bro. Right, yo, it's actually looking pretty solid, bro. I love these bars coming in. All right, that's perfect. All right, come on, just a couple more buyers. Yo, honestly, bro, I'm just gonna cut the profit short. Once we hit 50k, I'm gonna remove liquidity. Come on, bro. Oh my god, no, I have no more time to waste, bro. Fuck it. What you want to do, go to the website, click on the minus button, 100%, remove liquidity. Okay, good shit. Then confirm. Oh my god, we just made. You're not gonna believe what's inside this phantom wallet. I've made over $526,000 in just 1 month of launching meme coins on my secret website on the Solana blockchain. Let me show you exactly how I did it. Bro, guys, lock in on this video. I'm telling you guys, you will make a ton of money. Now, let's get straight to it. So, what's going on with meme coins? I know a lot of y'all clicked on this video trying to find a way to make money. I'm gonna be dropping that exactly in this video. Now, most of you guys are probably in the space where you are trading these meme coins but not seeing any results at all, and I get you. I get it. I was here too. Now, I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly the strategy that made me a shit ton of money. Lock in. What we do is we create a coin, we wait for buyers, and then we just dump it. That's as simple as that. This is how you guys are gonna make it. So if, for example, if you go over to Barsic, right? Do y'all remember this coin? It was about his cat, Hasbullah's cat. It hit 300 million and then it just got wiped off the face of the internet, just rugged all the way down, and all of this money went into Mr. Hasbullah's wallet. Now, all of these coins are complete doo-doo. I'm telling you guys, these coins will not get you anywhere. So the reason why you guys are actually losing this money is because you guys are not creating them. That's the only reason. So if you go over to coinlabs.fun, this website will allow you guys to create meme coins whenever you like, and whatever your idea or narrative is, you can create it here. Now, the thing that's beautiful about this is that it's fully repeatable and you can do it every single time until you are satisfied. And I'm telling you guys, once you hit that big win on your first coin or on your other coins, I'm telling you, everything will change. You guys will be different in a good way. You will have money like never before. So stay tuned. But before we get started, I just want to make it clear that this video is purely for educational purposes only. So please do not copy me, but enjoy the video. Now, if y'all want to print a shit ton of money, listen up. Coinlabs.fun is the best way to go. It requires no coding. Your coins get created in seconds on the Raydium liquidity pool. And what that is, basically the liquidity pool for all the big ass coins that everyone sees, and you'll be getting way more buys as if you created your coin on Pump.Fun. Now, why Pump.Fun is horrible is because your coins need to reach a $90,000 market cap. And what that does is at 90,000, your coin gets put to the liquidity pool on Raydium, but it takes way too much time. This is why CoinLabs fixes all those problems. Now, my favorite way to make thousands of dollars fucking instantly is by going on the copy trending tokens tab. Now, what this tab is basically the website going through thousands of meme coins, trying to find the ones that are proven to making you a ton of money. I'm telling you guys, all of these are proven. So if, for example, if you go on this one, the market cap is 40,000. We try to find a market cap with $30,000 and try to find a coin that has a last bought under 15 seconds ago. That is my golden strategy, the golden rule to making money. Now, all of this thing does, when you click create your coin, it steals the narrative, it steals everything about the coin, makes it for yourself, and people are bound to buy it. As simple as that. Just a quick disclaimer, this is Mr. Munyan from the future. All of these rugs that you guys are gonna be seeing, they're only 2. Basically, I'm on a trip and those are my last 2 recorded launches that were actually pretty good. So that's why y'all are gonna be seeing them a hella ton, because I am on vacation. Alright, so now you guys made it this far into the video, we're going to do the live carpet. Now, we're gonna create a coin on this one. I like it, a good market cap, a good last bought, everything is good. So we're gonna proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. Then it will take us to a page where we can create the liquidity pool. So this is token address for your coin. Now, all we have to do in this part is add 90% of the market cap to the public and 10% for yourself, which by the way, you will be getting this money back, so don't worry. And for the amount of token B, it's basically liquidity in your coin. So we're gonna put anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 is a good bet. So we're gonna put 0.3 for the sake of the video. Then we're gonna create on creating pool, and then our liquidity pool should be created. So let's confirm, and then there we have it. Our liquidity pool has been created. Now if we wait a little bit, we refresh, there is our coin. So how are you guys gonna see it? We're gonna click on view on Photon, and then it should take us, I just came back from a 20-minute walk, so shit, here is our coin. So it already has hella buys. It looks to be stagnating a bit. I mean, I guess the coin did pretty well. So honestly, 26k is not that bad for a coin launch. What we're gonna do, we're gonna remove liquidity from this coin to get all that sweet money. So all we would do is go back to the website. All you guys have to do to remove liquidity is click on the minus button, 100%, remove liquidity. We will be removing 192 Solana, so let's go ahead and confirm that's about like $20,000. And then boom, there we go. The coin has successfully been rugged. Now look, our coin is at 0 obviously because we removed all the liquidity, and all you guys have to do is check your balance and the money should be there. It's as simple as that. $24,000 printed in 30 minutes. Hopefully this video gave y'all clarity on how you guys can create your own meme coins. Join my free Telegram in the description down below. My website is also linked there, so you guys can launch your own coins very fast. And until the next one, peace.